Hey guys, Crazy Shopping Girl here, and today I got a new elmers slime kit. Now I already made a slime, and I'm going to make another one maybe in this video. So it says what it comes with here, so you guys can pause the video if you want to read that, but I'm not going to read that out loud. But look at the slime I made with this kit. It is really nice. It is super stretchy. It is so soft and like pretty. Wait, look at that. Isn't that pretty? And go follow my Instagram on Grace Cargo Kit or something like that. Sorry if you hear my dog being a weirdo in the background. Yeah, so let's get to making another slime. So let me just put this one in the container. We're going to make a new one. So excited. Yeah, but this is brand new. Elmer just made this. Follow the thing. It says new. I don't know. I don't think you guys saw that. Whatever. Okay. Okay. So I will be right back. I'm going to get a bowl. It's going to take me like a few seconds. Oh, get out of the way. I can't find a bowl, guys. So here's the spoon. And, where's the bowl? I do not think this bowl is going to be big enough. But we're going to try. So I'm going to be kneeling up like this probably in the video, so you won't see a lot of my face. So this is what it looks like in the inside of the box. It comes with 2 bottles of clear glue. I already used them. It comes with glitter glue that I already opened. It actually comes in a pack. It comes with the activator, which is called Magical Liquid, clear glue, and yeah, glitter. So I think it's time to get started. So first we are going to no, this is not going to work. I can already tell. Oh wait, guys, I think I found a bowl. I found the bowl. It isn't clear, but it's still a bowl, so it still works. Okay, that's much better. So open up this clear glue. Oh, that's hard to open. Ow. Elmers, why do you shut these so tight? Okay, there we go. I was gonna have to pause the video and get my dad to open it. It's so hard to open. So we're gonna add that in. Okay. Whoop. So let me just throw out the bottle. Okay, so now I'm going to pick a color to do, and I think I should make gold glitter slime. Should I make gold glitter? Or should I make silver glitter? I'm going to make gold glitter. Make it a little festive. Okay, so wait a second. Ooh, just got a text message. Close. Okay, there we go. Get all that glitter gluing. You have to use all of it if you want a lot of glitter. And if you want it to look really nice. But you want to add little bits at a time. See, like add half and then see if you like it. And if you like that way, keep it. But if you don't, then add more. Here. So guys, I'm going to show you how it looks. Let me grab you guys. So that's how it's looking so far. So there's a sneak peek of what the slime looks like. So let's add a little bit more glitter. Glue. My dog is barking in the background. Don't mind that. this is always what happens during videos. I get stressed out while my dog's barking and someone comes to the door. But I'm not going to go to the door because it's probably a stranger with the package for next video, which I'm not going to tell you guys about because that is really special. So I'm just going to mix up this slime, the rest of it. So now it says on the box to add a whole bottle of magic liquid. I'm going to add this a little bit at a time because I don't want the slime to be a chunky, hard, and gross. So, dang, there's no squirting cap, really? The other one had a squirting cap, whatever. Whatever. Oh wait, no, my dad put that on there, whatever. Sorry that you guys don't get to see the inside of the bowl. But I'm going to talk about a few things while making this slime. So, Grace Cartwheel Kid on Instagram, let me tell you what I post. So I do gymnastics. I don't just do cartwheels. I compete. So I do some gymnastics posts, not really. Some of them are my injuries, just like random things I do, Slurpees, pictures of my cute little puppy Coco. He's laying on the couch right now. And some other stuff, like when I have some fun times with my friends, or I take pictures of that. So if you have Instagram, go follow Grace Cartwheel Kid. Please. I just hit 100 followers. I think I'm at like 118, 120 right now. I'll check after this video. Next video, I'll tell you guys how much followers I have. And also, go follow Teeny Tiny Toy Reviewer on Instagram and on YouTube. And that's a shout out to her. Shout out to Teeny Tiny Toy Reviewer. And Teeny Tiny Toy Reviewer has a YouTube, but she's also really close to having 100. I have more followers than her on Instagram because I've been on Instagram longer, but on YouTube she has more subscribers than me. So go follow her. Go follow her on both her accounts. There isn't going to be a link in the description. Boo. Because I don't know how to do that. Because I'm not a big... Well, I like watching YouTube, but I'm not a big person with videos. But once I got this Elmer's kit, I needed to video it. Like, I didn't need to, but I really, really wanted to. So let's keep mixing this up. And guys, if this video is really short, at the end, when I finish the slime, I think I might add a room tour. So, you guys should be excited for this 2-in-1 awesome video. Because I think I am going to be doing a room tour. Let's add a little bit more. No, let's just add the rest. There we go. There we go. Let's mix that together. Ooh, it's getting slimy, but it's a little bit sticky. Okay, I'm always silent when I make slime. I do not know why. I just like really concentrate on it. So I really like slime. Okay. So I'm kneading it right now. I just need to knead it a little bit more, and then I think it's done. And then we'll start the room tour. I don't know if we're gonna do a room tour, possibly. But remember to like and subscribe on this video. And I'm gonna go on Instagram and do a post and say, go follow all my friends on YouTube, even though I only have 6 or 7. Very sad. And hopefully hopefully I get a shout out from Teeny Tiny Toy Review. And Teeny Tiny Toy Reviewer is actually my cousin. So, yay. And she reviews a lot more toys than I do. I do more of like the slimy, squishy stuff. Wait, Dad, can you get some of my squishies? Get some of my squishies, Daddy. Well, I just asked my dad to get some of my squishies because I want to show you guys those too. That was a very awkward moment of my dad. But the slime is done. Let me show you up close. Sorry the camera is so far today, but I think I have a better angle. So look how pretty that is. The air bubbles still have to set, but I think this slime is done. So, wait a second, let me put this here. It's really clicky. Oh, he got 2 of the squishies. Oh no, yes, 3. He got 3. See, I'll take this one, and this thing. Okay, so let's put that slime in the bowl so it doesn't get all over the squishies. And I'm just going to show you the squishies real quick. So I have a penguin. He's really soft and slow rising. I have a Hebrew strawberry, or rainbow strawberry. They're my favorite of them all, and I bloom peach. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please like and subscribe. In the comments if you love slime squishies. Comment I love squishies. Slam.